Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The line segment joining the points 3, -1 and -6, 5 is trisected. The coordinates of the point of trisection are. Now let's try to visualize this situation. This is the required line. This point has coordinates 3, -1 and this has -6, 5. Now a point where this line is trisected, we have such 2 points, right? So it can be a1 b1 or a2 b2. The required point can be any one of these two. Now this a1 b1 is dividing this line in x 2x, that is 1:2 ratio, and a2 b2 is dividing this line in 2x to x, that is 2:1 ratio. There can be 2 points where line is trisected. A1 B1 and A2 B2. A1 B1 divides line in 1:2 ratio, and A2 B2 divides line in 2:1 ratio. Now here, in order to find coordinates of A1 B1 and A2 B2, we can simply use formula for ratio. So when a point is dividing a line in m1:m2, the coordinates are given by coordinates are given by x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here we have x as a1 and y as b1, which is equal to m is 1, because a1 b1 is dividing in 1:2 ratio, so m1 will be 1 and m2 will be 2. So 1 into x2 is -6 plus 2 into x1 is 3 divided by 1 plus 2 comma 1 into y2 is 5 plus 2 into y1 is -1 divided by 1 plus 3. So these are required coordinates. Let's see. This is equal to -6 plus 6 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So 0 comma 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is 2. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 0 comma 1. But 0 comma 1 is not in any of the options. So our answer required coordinates must be A2 B2. So let's check for A2 B2. So M1 is to M2 is equal to 2:1. Here it was 1:2. Coordinates are given by, let's see, here it will be A2 comma B2 equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now m1 is 2, x2 is, let's see what is x2. x2 is minus 6 and x1 is 3. 2 into minus 6 plus 1 into 3 divided by 2 plus 1, comma, m1 is 2, y2 is 5 plus 1 into minus 1. y1 is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So these will be, let's see, 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 plus 3 divided by 3, comma, 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 1 divided by 3. So the coordinates are, let's see, minus 9 by 3, comma, 9 by 3. So that gives us minus 3, comma, 3. So A2, B2 have come out to be minus 3, comma, 3. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option B, minus 3, comma.